Some of the ways that I helped my mom give care to my grandma was by reassuring her that I am okay and she doesn't need to constantly worry that she's not spending enough time with me. I let her know that I know what she's going through. I really helped my mom understand the illness as well, because in our culture it's not talked about, and there needs to be more education about Alzheimer's. I'm really happy that I took that opportunity to spend more time with her, and I'm happy that my mom began taking full-time care of her, because we are so close now, and I feel like I see myself in my grandmother a lot too. And although she forgets a lot, there's a lot of funny moments that happens as well. It's an illness that affects the family the most. I feel like for her, she's living in her own world.